This exercise is called cannot reach the test pressure, which is quite common if somebody is on a range configuration that doesn't allow enough flow. And a good analogy for that is if we're in first gear and we try to go up to highway speed, we can't. We have to change ranges. So in this case, we've got the fan set on the range C1 according to our range configuration chart. And we've also got the gauge set to C1 as well. Our gauge setup consists of the red tube and yellow tube being connected to the red and yellow ports on the gauge in this particular case for building pressure and for fan pressure, and a yellow Ethernet cable which comes out, which is a control cable. This comes down over towards the fan, and the yellow connector goes into the fan onto the reference B port, and the Ethernet cable, which is the controlling cable, goes into the fan. Normally the red tube, which is about 14 feet longer than this tube, will go through the panel here and outdoors. In this case, in the simulator, to keep away from the blast of the fan, it goes in a hole up here. And we're now going to try and achieve 50 pascals. So even with the fan running full speed, we can achieve 50 pascals. So without changing anything, we can use our range configuration chart and start removing plugs. Still not enough, so we're going to change to this configuration. The C4 configuration allowed us to achieve our 50 pascals. So now we can change our fan range to C4 to match and go ahead and take our readings.